Yo, hey guys, what's going on? I'm A Singaporean Analyst, and I'm going to be showing you guys some Excel basics so that you'll be able to use Excel at school, work, or just to create some really fancy graphs. Now, if you have not used Excel before, don't worry. We'll start as complete Excel beginners, and as you progress through my short series of videos, you will learn with me as we become Excel pros. This is my first YouTube video, so if you like what I'm doing, please like, share and subscribe. Alright then, let's start. Okay, first things first, let's start Excel running. If you have an Excel shortcut on the desktop, go ahead and click on it. Otherwise, you can try and find it in the Start menu, like so. I'm using Windows 10 here on Office 365. There are some slight variations between the many versions that Microsoft Office has gone through, but it won't matter for the basics that we are going through today. Alright, first up, we will click on a blank workbook, and we see this entirely blank sheet that Excel offers. This is called a spreadsheet. And Excel is just the name of the program made by Microsoft for people to create spreadsheets. Each tiny box is called a cell, and in each cell, we are able to type different data, like so. Each cell has its own name, with the first one called A1, all the way to the millions of cells if you have that much data. You can adjust the size of each cell, for example the width and the height, and apply formatting independently. For example, I can bold this cell and leave this cell unbolded. You can also apply an underline here, and when you mouse over on the formatting or actually any of the keys in Excel, there is a shortcut that is encapsulated within the brackets, and you can use your keyboard to access those shortcuts quickly. Applying formatting helps people to focus on the text that you want them to see. So far, we have been working in the Home tab. There are other tabs such as the Insert, Page Layout and so on, but we won't go there right now. So yeah, that's it. Join me in the next video as we learn how to use Excel to record our expenses.